أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
By the grace and mercy of Allah, the people of Mexico have once been blessed to witness the holy month of Ramadan. Across the country, members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community have embraced this sacred time with renewed devotion, service, and outreach, striving to bring the blessings of Ramadan to both their communities and the wider society. In Mexico, Ramadan activities are currently being held in 4 active missions: Mexico City, Mérida, Querétaro, and San Cristóbal de las Casas. Throughout the month, these missions have become vibrant centers of worship, reflection, and community service. Each day begins and ends with spiritual nourishment. Members and friends from different parts of the country gather online for a daily Darsul Quran, reflecting on the teachings of the Holy Quran and strengthening their connection with Allah. In Mérida, members gathered for Tahajjud prayers and suhoor, seeking the special blessings of the quiet hours before dawn. The mosques come alive every Friday and Saturday evening, when members and guests gather for iftar. After breaking the fast together, they stand shoulder to shoulder in Tarawih prayers, experiencing the unity and peace that Ramadan brings. Beyond the mosque walls, the spirit of compassion and service is also visible. Members regularly distribute food to people on the streets and to families waiting outside public hospitals. Volunteers have also visited elderly residents in care homes, spending time with them. In Mexico City and Querétaro Jamaats, throughout the year and including Ramadan, a regular soup kitchen distributes food. A special initiative has been the daily reading of the Spanish translation of the Holy Quran, organized by Qudam ul-Ahmadiyya and Lajna Imaila, Mexico. Participants from all over Central and South America read together each day with the goal of completing the full Spanish translation of the Holy Quran by the end of Ramadan. Ramadan has also been a time for building bridges with the wider community. In Mérida, the mission house hosted an interfaith iftar, where neighbors, government officials, and educators gathered to share a meal and learn about the spirit of Ramadan. In another outreach effort, Lajna Imaila, Mexico, was invited to speak at a Catholic university where they gathered 2 different lectures on women's rights in Islam. Importantly, these activities are open to everyone. Ahmadis, non-Ahmadis Muslims, and people of other faiths are all welcome with open doors at the mission houses. By the grace of Allah, 2 people accepted Islam Ahmadiyya during the month of Ramadan in Mexico. As this blessed month continues, the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Mexico prays that through these efforts, Allah opens and guides the hearts of the people of Mexico to recognize the true teachings of Islam and accept the Imam of the age. Amin. Reporting for MTA News from Mexico.